In case of the CIP or the circulation, they want to make circulation.
No, it is not related to CIP. For example, by any fault or something, it is closed. It is not CIP. Anything is not happening. If it is closed, then what happens?
Anything can happen. Very quickly. And you also have the FAL because this is motorized. That means butterfly valve. Butterfly valve can open from 0 to 180.
Yeah, but this is
So that means when it is partially closed, you get FAL.
Yeah, but this type is not analog. This is digital. On off. You don't have pulse.
On off, huh?
It is on off only.
On off.
Okay.
It is not.
Okay, not 30%, 40%.
No, it is not acting as a control.
But then why you have FAL here? What is the use of FAL?
It's the flow meter, the flow Q, the reading and totalizer only. Like the.
See. Only FAL is provided when you have a VFD pump.
We have VFD.
It is VFD pump?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's why I could see the VFD also in this.
Yeah. True.
There is the issue with the VFD.
Yeah. Oh, FAL in place. What is the issue, Imran? What is the issue?
VFD.
If there is some
VFD, RPM.
Malfunction, okay. Malfunction trip on VFD.
Functioning of VFD.
Okay, when your VFD malfunction, either it can go high speed when not required and low speed when not required.
then
Pump should trip.
Yeah.
So there is a discrepancy alarm is there.
Yeah.
Discrepancy. I'll put a discrepancy.
Otherwise, it will damage the
Pump will trip on
Yeah,
discrepancy.
but there is a.
Helping it will damage. Instead of helping the phone,
Yeah.
No, but there is an issue now. In case of N-1, it will goes up the field.